Hey guys, welcome to another episode of
Journey with the Jacksons.
Hey guys, so thank you guys for tuning in to our channel as usual. And if you have not, please press that subscribe button.
Yes, press that subscribe button.
And press that like button. And comment on our video and share our video. Please remember to do that. Cool.
So welcome to all our newbies. Thank you so much for tuning in to us. If you, as my husband said, if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please do so now. And to all our returning viewers, thank you so much guys
for always
for always watching us and supporting us and hitting the like button. We so appreciate you guys so much. All right, so we hope that you're doing wonderful despite all that's happening around us. We hope you're staying positive,
and staying safe, and use up the hand sanitizer. Free advertisement.
Yes, and don't forget your mask.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into our video for today, which is what? So today, babe, we're gonna talk about some things, 10 things that Jamaicans have in common, or 10 things they like to do, right? That it's common. So if you go to a Jamaican's house,
you're likely to
see it, or experience that. Ready, Gav?
Yeah, ready.
All right. So the first one is on a Sunday. If you go to 50% of Jamaican's house,
or
more, at least, yes, you will see them cooking what? Rice, peas,
chicken. Rice and peas and chicken.
And sometimes it comes with a little
gravy.
Gravy must be vegetable, guys.
Carrot. Cabbage.
Yes. Lettuce.
Tomatoes
And cucumbers. Is there anything else?
No.
Not that we remember. But guess what? If we're leaving out anything, drop it in the comment section below. Guys!
Cool. Yeah, man. We love rice and peas and chicken on a Sunday.
It's like if you don't get that, it's not Sunday. Well, not for us.
Yeah, it just feel weird. Yeah, we have moved away from
that.
Yeah, like why every Sunday we need to eat rice and peas and chicken? No.
If we feel to eat pasta, we'll have pasta.
Well, we do it sometimes, but
not every time.
Not all the time. But right now, my parents' house in Portland, I am sure that rice and peas and chicken is being cooked or has already been cooked.
Right. And if you're watching us on a Sunday, what's the percentage chance that you're having rice and peas and chicken?
Yeah.
And also that when on a Sunday it's rice and peas and chicken, on a Saturday it's what?
Soup. Some red pea soup.
Or chicken food soup.
Or beef soup. We used to cook beef soup regularly on a Saturday.
Okay. Well, I don't like beef soup. We used to have a lot of red pea soup with coconut.
Yeah, the red pea soup with the beef. Shot still.
Okay. Or with pigtail in there or something, but that's what you'll have on a, if you go to traditional Jamaican's house, right? I think the young people are moving away from it to some extent.
Yeah, even anything. Eat even bread on Sundays. this generation.
Yes. We care zero, right?
Yeah.
All right.
It's just another day.
It's just another day. No, it's our day of worship, but regarding food.
Just another day regarding food.
Right. So we move on to number 2, and it's how we welcome foreigners. Guys, I don't know about you, which country you're from, but when you live, or you are Jamaican, or you live in Jamaica, and people come from foreign, we've said this before, people who we call foreigners are people who come from big foreign, like America, Canada, London, US,
England.
London, England.
England, London.
And I tell you, say, when they come, it's like Jamaicans give them bed. Breakfast is cooked. Lunch is served. Dinner is served. You're nicely treated. You get this and that.
Yeah, and especially on a Sunday, the rice and peas is a must.
And you are treated so nicely. You are taken out. You are given jelly, which is coconut water.
Cane. We go cut a few pieces of cane.
mango.
I will peel it for you too.
Yes, and if it's ackee season, you'll get ackee.
Ackee and saltfish.
And if it's if it's breadfruit season, you get roast breadfruit. You
Yeah.
are treated so wonderful when
Yeah.
you come from abroad and to visit Jamaicans. They treat you really good. They'll give you their beds to sleep in. I was so surprised that, when you go abroad, people don't want to get out of their beds to give you their beds.
Yeah, well, our experience is different.
Yeah, definitely.
We have been abroad to one of those big foreign.
Yeah.
USA in particular, I know our friends were like, hey, this is our bed. So
Yeah.
we're going to give you our bed. And they did. They gave us their room. And that was wonderful. That's our experience. But some persons, when they go, they don't get back that same treatment that they give. So that's crazy.
Yeah.
Some people are like, how comes me treat you so nice when you come to Jamaica? And you don't return the favor.
Yeah. But Jamaicans, we're big on that. We welcome foreigners. You feel good, you feel like you're a queen or a king or whatever.
Yeah.
All right. So everything Jamaicans take for a joke. That's number 3.
Yeah.
What you say?
Sometimes we don't know when to be serious. Like somebody say, my head is hurting me.
Some serious.
What you think about now? What you have on your head, so? Like,
Yeah.
have some sympathy.
No, but I just think that's just us. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
I mean, some people, it depends, are more sensitive than some. But I think back then, when those things were really, really popular, like laughing at people, somebody come to you and tell you, me drop off, I fell off a ladder and broke my leg, like a Jamaican will laugh.
Yeah, babe, maybe we can do a series on this. We can do a video on this, some serious things that Jamaicans
laugh
find
about.
funny. Yeah, because trust me.
yeah. Guys, what you think about that?
Yeah, we will laugh at you.
Yeah.
We laugh at you when it is serious.
Yeah, it doesn't mean that you won't
crazy.
get help. It doesn't mean that you won't get help from us.
Yeah.
But Jamaicans are likely
Maybe
to
laugh and then take it serious afterwards.
Yeah.
Like, especially if you fall and we see that you were not hurt, believe me, it's crazy laughter. Crazy laughter.
What about Jamaicans laughing and going like
yes, that touchy. Let me tell you something. Hey, me say, no, say.
Yeah.
Like, really?
Beat out your shoulder bone,
What? No, man, no. And we have a friend who loves to do that.
Who's that? Me?
Baby, no man, we have a friend that loves to do that.
Oh yeah, we have a friend. If you're watching this, you know yourself.
You know yourself. You like to touch while you talk.
But we love you.
We love you.
All right. I think the thing is because maybe we do that too sometimes because we're so passionate. Jamaicans are passionate.
To get your attention, especially if we think that we don't have your full attention.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Also that, like, because when we laugh loud, it's oftentimes also, it comes with this. You talk about,
Yeah.
You throw your head back.
Yeah.
And you squeal out or you clap your hands or something like that.
Yeah.
But these are all things that Jamaicans do together.
Yeah, I have a friend who is saying he's beat asphalt. So when he's laughing, he's actually on his belly beating the ground, beating the asphalt.
Yeah.
That is how much passionate he is about the joke or whatever.
What he finds funny.
It's
all
crazy.
right. So another thing, you remember growing up and your mom have a settee?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Do not, first of all, it's wrapped in what? It's wrapped.
It's wrapped with like
maybe a blanket or something like that.
Yeah, maybe a blanket. Some person use like a crusher like thing. Put over it some lace thing. And if when you sit there, if you pull that up or remove it from the couch or settee, please fix it back. Put it back in its original position.
Yes, so when you go to every Jamaican's house, most Jamaicans' house, I should say, you find that you cannot sit on just the bare couch.
Yeah.
There are actually, there's either a blanket or
some covering.
Some covering that you have to sit on. You can't sit on the raw.
Settee, yes.
Like, or it's in the plastic that it came in. Like,
Yeah.
You're not
Never
sitting
seen that
on.
one though.
Yeah, you're not sitting on my. You're not sitting on my settee.
On my
You're
beer
not.
couch.
Yeah, you're not soiling it. But
Mhm.
oh my gosh,
Mhm.
me personally, I hated that. As a
Oh,
child growing, I don't like that.
what?
I want to sit on directly on the settee.
Oh,
I don't want any hindrance with me and it.
she was unruly.
No.
Mhm.
All right. So if we look in the refrigerator and you decide that, as a matter of fact, you're watching a movie, right? And you decide I want some toast. And you go to the fridge and you see this container and it marks butter or country crock, which we know is butter.
Mhm.
When you open it, thinking it's butter, what is it?
Leftovers.
Leftovers.
Yes, leftovers.
So what Jamaicans do, they always have in their refrigerator, they always have containers.
So sometimes it's like about four of them. And you have to open each one. So you take your time, you open one. No, that's not the butter. No, that's not the butter.
Yeah.
No, that's not the butter. Oh, here's the
It's
butter.
Right, because you just never know. Is because
Yeah.
especially if like my grandmother likes to store things. So if she, especially if she has 4 or 5 of these butter containers in there, or better yet is ice cream. You think it's ice cream in there. When you look in the freezer,
Or something, yeah.
it's a thick pan of ice. Jug of ice.
Yeah, there's ice, no ice cream.
Yeah.
The cream is missing.
Yeah, but the ice is
The
there.
ice is there. Oh gosh.
Next thing,
Yeah.
we always see these, we call them their dresser, whatnot, break front.
Yeah, so it's this furniture cabinet. It's furniture furniture with a lot of figurines. What is the other term for it?
China.
Yeah,
or
some
the
China
dinnerware.
wear. Yeah. Yeah. Like at home we always have some arse ones, some with some arse, and I used to like sometimes like they're easy to topple over and break.
Oh yeah,
So
the
me
figurines.
I usually have to glue it up
Be
back
careful.
and put it up back like it wasn't broken. Sometimes long afterwards my mother like, when did this break? I was like, Mommy, long time ago, man. Long time. You even know about it, man. Long time ago that break, man. Long
But
time.
they never used to put the figurine. Oh, they used to put the figurine in the cabinet too?
Well, ours was exposed.
Okay, because yes,
Yeah,
we
'cause-
used to had 2 cocks.
Mm-hmm.
And those cocks were
Yeah, like
were
the-
exposed.
Yeah, the cocks are exposed and the cocks them would have break sometime.
Yeah.
Or part of them chip off.
Yeah.
The tail part chip off. That crazy. Because
But-
them they can glue, you know. I don't think them they can glue.
Somewhat. But the thing is that I don't think those figurines are not really popular these days. I don't see a lot of Jamaicans with those anymore. Those things
and maybe
are,
it depends on where we are
we're
going.
going around. Not even peace you can't find at my house.
They've got the dead gone long
long time. But also they usually have like this the cabinet with the dinnerware or the china in there. So you know this. Do not trouble anything that's in that glass cabinet.
Yes, that is not for you.
Or your 10 fingers will be broken. So you know that's a rule that you should not trouble anything. Those are used, those chinas or dinnerwares are used for special occasions.
Yeah. Like sometime, give me one occasion.
No,
When
anniversary.
a foreigner come.
Oh yeah.
When
Yes.
foreigner
When a
come.
foreigner come,
Yes.
yeah, you draw for 2 of them, you know,
Yeah,
nice, wipe out, clean and nice.
Wipe out, wash out and everything.
Yeah, and
Glassware, bossy.
bossy, ready for the road. Eh?
Gold rim glass.
Yes.
We did have some of those, gold rim glass.
Oh my
special
gosh.
occasion.
And we thought they were so beautiful. Like
Yeah.
these were the thing, yeah.
Must have.
Must have. All right. So next thing is before we actually Jamaica now has a ban on the use of plastic bags like that. So we don't use that. But before that, Jamaicans, you could go to their house and you would find plastic bags in plastic bags being stored.
Real thing. I used to pack up the plastic bags. And I used to have to line them out and put them according to size. So the small ones go in first. Then so crazy. And then after you finish, you just fold it neat and put it inside the drawer. So when you take them out, you tick, and anybody go in there, like you ask them, please fix back the plastic bags the way you saw them.
Yes, you don't want them get messy. Oh my gosh.
Pull up, that's crazy.
Guys.
Plastic bags. Some practices that we have.
Yeah. You know what? I think they're useful too. I think they're useful. You know, funny enough, there are Jamaicans now living abroad who actually does that.
Yeah, we carry the tradition on sale.
Yeah, yeah, they have all these Walmart bags and all that.
Yeah. Oh my god.
But it's so cool. But it's good. I mean, it's convenient. For me, I like that because if you have something you want to store or you want to throw away some stuff, you can put it in there.
You can put it in there. You just need a bag.
Yeah. Guys, we don't know how many of these you can relate to.
Yeah.
Or you yourself have experienced.
Yeah.
If there are any that we've not, of course there are.
There are lots. So
that
you can just comment them in the comment section below. Thank you.
Comment them in the comment section below. So guys,
thank you for watching our video.
Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share,
comment.
Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you had fun with us. Take care.
Bye.
From the Jacksons to the world.
Up.